I'm listening to your lung. Wait, don't make a noise. I want to hear your lungs. This wheezing again. Hold on. Yeah, it has a whistling sound. Okay, hold on. That's no breathing exercise, Kady. Yeah, you can still hear a little bit in the background, a little whistling sound. Her mouth's closed, so there's no way that's a breathing exercise that they say before. It's not. It's almost, she has another hour to go though. Well, unless if I see any distress, then I just go ahead and give it to her, because at least 4 hours. Her last breathing was 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, so it's only 5 hours. Yeah, you can hear it. Yeah, you can hear that whistling sound there. Can you breathe okay? Em thở được không? Cần làm máy thở giờ không? You okay? Okay. I'm just listening to your wheezing.
Okay.
Hả? Okay, the wheezing stopped. No, it's still there, Kady. The wheezing is not stopping. It's still there. It's on and off, but you can hear it. Okay, honey. It's like about 4-minute recording. And it's still there. You can still hear in the background. More like a whistling sound. Let me see.